Alright, so here we have a program called calling base constructors. And to get started with this program, I'm going to go ahead and add this class right here called the parent class, and we have default constructor right here where we basically just add a constructor but with no arguments in it. Then we give it an output in there, and then here we have an overloaded constructor that takes a single integer argument, and of course we have output that indicates that it's overloaded right there. And basically in our program where we're calling base constructors, what we're going to do at the end is we're basically going to get these outputs out there, as well as their derived class outputs as well, which will make sense shortly. Okay, so here we got the daughter class, also a derived class, as indicated with this colon, and then followed by public parent. And in here we got another public access specifier where we start calling for the default constructor with this output. Then we're gonna go ahead and get another derived class under name of son, and this time it's gonna call for the overloaded constructor. And notice the syntax here, where we did a colon and then parent a. Well, the son class constructor passes the integer argument to the overloaded base class constructor. So we need to do that in order to make it work. And the main method is going to be very short and sweet. All we do is we create an instance of both of those classes. One right here, and then we got to throw in an integer to call Andrew, which is the son. So yeah, that's basically a syntax for that. If we run it, for Emma, what appears is that we get this cout statement right here, and then it'll break into a new line here, and then we'll get this new string right here saying derived daughter class default constructor called. Alright, makes sense. And then here we got the overloaded parent constructor called once we declare this instance, and then it says, and then after that we break into a new line, and then we get this cout statement right here where it says derived son class overloaded constructor called. Now, out of curiosity, if you wanted to do this and do it in bad syntax, you end up getting this string up here, and yeah, that doesn't necessarily, that's not what you want. You get the same string as the default. It's apparently what happens. And if you're curious, you could also do that. So now it has a +2 overloads. And it'll do the same thing, with or without. But this one is syntax sensitive, so you gotta watch for that. Alright then.